ZL1 Car Spotter 2.0 here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video, we're opening up a special muscle car from Chevy. This is the 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1 1LE Nickey edition. Now, like you guys know, the 1LE is the rarest. Is actually wait, not the rarest. The second rarest. It's Camaro model of all time. Well, besides the 2015 Camaro Z28. But that's fine. It's very special. Why? There's a few differences between the regular ZL1 and the 1LE version. The 1LE has 5-spoke tires and the rims. Yeah, the rims are 5-spoke. Tires are actually slightly bigger. There's canards and a bigger splitter. And a big rear wing. Which has to be made out of carbon fiber. The hood is also made out of carbon fiber as well. We don't really see it on that very often. Just let you guys know, I have seen one before. Actually, two of ZL1 1LEs. One in black and one in orange. Okay, there are a few more facts about this car, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. It says here the 1LE package will only available on the coupe models of the Camaro. That means there is no convertible version of this car. It also says the ZL1 supercharged 6-liter V8 is the same engine that found the Corvette Z06. It's actually good to know. Oh, alright, guys, turn the overhead up and get a closer look. Alright. And she's out. I love how they did with the Camaro though. Look like the rear wheels are slightly stuck. The front wheels a bit on the move, but it looks like the rear wheels have some problems. I don't have to see that thinking fixed as a problem. Alright, slightly out. Look. What? Huh? Oh, as for this time, I'm not gonna be using racing at all. I definitely will be putting this car on display. With the hood open. In fact, let me see how I can get the hood open. I got the hood open on the last Camaro I have. We're gonna get look like I have to do something. I'm trying to get this hood open. I can't. The hood is getting quite hard to open. And on the 108 version. I think it's probably because my nails are quite small. I got the hood open. Alright, here it is, you guys. Here's the engine. Now, I have seen the actual engine on this Camaro before. But this is very nice, though. I had one of these. Oh, yeah. And take a look at this. There's the Nickey logo. Right here. This is why this Camaro is so special. Okay, you guys. That's it. See you guys in my next video.